One of the most common reasons your Galaxy S25 stops receiving calls is that a temporary software glitch interferes with your network connection, which can often be resolved with just a simple restart. Other possible causes include airplane mode being left on, Wi-Fi calling creating conflicts with cellular calls, do not disturb blocking incoming calls, a misaligned SIM card, outdated software or carrier settings, or even service issues on your provider's end. In this video, you'll learn the effective fixes to get your Galaxy S25 receiving calls again. Follow along, and you'll be back to answering important calls without missing a beat. The first thing you should do is restart your phone. A quick reboot clears temporary glitches and often restores normal call functionality right away. Next, toggle airplane mode off. To make sure that isn't blocking your service, swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on, wait a few seconds, and then tap it again to turn it off. Another fix is to turn off Wi-Fi calling. Sometimes this feature can interfere with incoming calls if your network signal is weak. To do this, open Settings and tap Connections. Tap Wi-Fi calling and disable the toggle switch. Also check that Do Not Disturb is disabled. To confirm, go back to the settings screen, tap Notifications, and then Do Not Disturb. Make sure it's turned off so your calls won't be silenced. If that doesn't solve the problem, reset the mobile network settings. This puts mobile data back to default values and clear up hidden glitches. From the settings screen, scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and choose Reset Mobile Network Settings. Confirm the reset and test calls again. Next, check your SIM card. Power off your phone, use the ejector tool to remove the SIM tray, and inspect the card for dirt or damage. Reinsert it carefully, power your phone back on, and see if calls now come through. Also, make sure you're in an area with good signal coverage. If none of these steps fix the issue, contact your mobile carrier. There may be an account-related block or a service outage in your area that only they can resolve. These steps should be enough to get your Galaxy S25 receiving calls again. But if problems continue, a professional or your carrier's support team can provide further help. I hope this video can help you. If you have more problems with your device, leave a comment and we'll try our best to help you. Thanks for watching.